everyone, welcome back to HowToDoctor. In today's video, let me guide you on how to download and install Cursor AI Code Editor. Let's start this by opening a browser on your computer. Next, search for Cursor AI, and then open this website. Next, click on Download for Windows. Select what folder you want to download the app, then click Save. After downloading the setup, then run it and wait for the installation to be completed. Once finished, then you see this page. You can leave it as it is and click Continue button below. Now for the data preferences, you can choose whatever you like. You can adjust it later on the settings, but for now, let's select Privacy Mode, then click Continue button. Now let's sign up for an account. Click the Sign Up button, and you'll be redirected to the Sign Up page where you can use your Google account or GitHub account. After the signing in, then return to Cursor app. By default, you'll see this kind of page. Let's choose Open a folder and select the Cursor folder. Next, let's open the AI chat. Click Ctrl+L on your keyboard. Now you can enter your prompt in here. For example, let's enter this prompt. Then select the AI that you want, but for now, let's leave it to default. Hit Enter on your keyboard to start generating it. Wait for a while for the code to be generated, and you'll receive also a short explanation of it. Once it is done, then you can apply it to your text. Click on this button right here to add a new text file. Now enter the name of the file. After that, go back to the AI chat and click on Apply and select the file path that you want. You can explore the other commands here for easier navigations, such as the redo, undo, or anything. Now you can try to run a code you created and see if there will be other adjustments you want to make. Thanks for tuning in to HowToDoctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.